If you have ever experienced flying an FPV drone before, probably you know that how difficult it is to fly in manual mode and especially in tight spaces and complete one single continuous shot. Flying in manual mode is not so easy. Hope for the best.
Hey, can we do one more?
And this was by far the most challenging one-shot sequence I had till today.
No, I can't. No. It's been a few months now that I'm practicing my FPV skills with specifically the DJI Avata, and I can say that I'm confident enough, but not any expert or something. So depending the specific location or the needs of the shooting, still maybe this is not enough. You have to make a few tries until you have the shot that you imagine or the perfect shot. So I had a long time ago work for this drive-thru. You can check them on the link below. And since I studied FPV, I had this idea that I want to fly the drone inside the drive-thru and show the whole experience in one single shot. So I had to try. I contacted my friend. He said, yeah, okay, we can make this happen. I can give you some free hours to try and make the shooting, and yeah, so let's go to this day.
Εσύ που γελάς, έχεις κάνει subscribe στο κανάλι, στο YouTube? Εκεί θα φανείς.
Even though everything was set, the shop was pretty crowded, so we had to wait a while until we start the shooting. And as our friend was playing with the camera, it was time for the first flight. I choose to fly first in normal and sport mode just to see the path I will follow and if I like the framing in general and the path. And everything was pretty well, like the drone in GPS mode performed very smooth, and we had some really nice first shots. After the first try we had again some traffic delay, and then I was ready finally to fly in manual mode. Or at least that's what I thought. So the first manual flight was rolling, and I can say that in the open space I was feeling confident enough, even though the landscape is a bit complex. And as I was getting closer to the coffee shop, it was a bit windy, as you can see, and the DJI Avata is not performing ideally when it's a bit of wind, so it was difficult to find the entrance point smoothly. And yeah, this made the whole shot almost like unstable after that. And yeah, it was a first try failed. Flying in manual in these tight spaces and turns is not so easy. In the second flight I changed a few things from the route and I make it closer. I also missed this power line by luck, and I also thought to change the general route of the shot. So I went straight out to the other window. I wanted to show the spot from another perspective, but with all these power lines it wasn't so complementary, nothing to add in the sequence. So when I tried to go in again, as you can see, it's very hard to find the balance of the center and go in again. So the second flight in manual mode was also a fail, but
This one will be the best, I'm sure. Okay, I send the drone to take position. Okay, the car is gone, we can start. When you are ready, start. Yeah, go. No, I can't.
So as you can imagine, the third manual flight was also failed.
The wind blew me away. One more, try.
And this was my realization at this point, that I have to turn the drone in normal and sport mode if I want to have the shot in the end. Otherwise I won't be able to do it.
Wait there, I will tell you when the car is gone. Okay, you can go now. Go.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Okay. It was too fast, but yeah. This was really better than the previous, but one more, last. With the short one, the short one is better. We are now at 5th try, and I think will be the last one. We have some results, but I'm not super happy. At least I tried, so. Go, Johanna, because the battery is close to finish. Go. Nice. Okay, I give you some time to park. Yeah. Nice. Go. Perfect. Yeah. Go. Yeah, really nice. Really nice. This was the shot. So the shots were success. The last one, finally I made what I wanted. Maybe it's not in manual mode because this drone cannot fly so precise. I don't know, maybe change some settings or something. For this specific time I couldn't fly in manual mode, so I am more than happy with the last video result. It turned out like how I imagined this, and definitely if you use also Avata with normal mode or sport mode, depending on the situation, you can have some pretty nice results, really smooth. You will find the results of this video also on my Instagram account. Basically, go down in the description and follow me on Instagram to see the final result. That's it for today. See you in the next story. Bye. Nice one.
What did you say? No, it's
I'm jealous about your drone.
It's not Phyllis. This one.
I'm a perfect free driver now.
This was the perfect training for the Greek roads
And I had
and the Greek conditions.
and I had so much coffee. I will
Maybe.
stay awake all night long.
Maybe you can stay awake and edit this video.
No.
Make some editing. Yeah, why not?
This was